let's introduce the newest member of our little family.
Yes, so, I got tired of carrying Phil to vendor shows.
Which is an FL Sun
Which
Q5.
is our FL Sun, one of our FL Sun Q5s. I've been kind of wanting one of these for a while, and they went on sale for Black Friday.
Mm-hmm. What does it say?
Operation of this product with filaments that include a styrene monomer, ABS, HIPS, and PCABS can expose you and others in the same room to styrene, a chemical known in the state of California to cause cancer.
But only in California. In other states,
And PLA is not on the list.
Well, no. I'm
So-
surprised ABS is on there, though.
So,
All right, so.
good to know.
Anyway, this
It's
small
Flash.
little box is Monoprice Delta Mini version 2.
Codename Flash.
Codename Flash.
We just don't know if it's going to be like Barry Allen Flash or 100-yard dash Flash.
So a few stats on this printer. It is a Delta printer, so the build plate is circular. The build plate is 110 millimeters, and it has a Z-axis of 120 millimeters. Its resolution is 4200. What?
I got spoiled with removable beds, so there's a PEI sheet coming for this.
Yes. 40 to 220 micron resolution.
Can you say that in millimeters, please?
0.04.
Nice.
Okay.
It's actually pretty good.
1.75 millimeter filament diameter, which is standard for PLA or that. Print speed. Now, manufacturers tell you ideal conditions.
And this is why we're not sure which Flash he is yet.
But here, you can always, like, half of the print speed. Up to 170 millimeters per second.
I'm hoping for 90.
That's about half, so, yeah.
Hoping for 90. And I'll be happy with 90 because that's all I actually print anything with any of our printers at.
The extruder goes from 180 to 260 Celsius.
Same as everyone else.
It's compatible with Cura. It is wireless. There is actually an app you can get for Android or iOS to print directly to it. But
I'm a little concerned that it said the max bed temperature was 50.
max bed temperature?
Yeah, on Amazon, it said the max bed temperature was 50.
Oh, I doubt that.
And I run everyone at 60.
Heated bed plate. Oh, it just says yes. I'm really doubting.
I'm hoping that it can do 60. As long as he can do 60, I don't think that there will be any problem.
Technically, PLA, you don't even need a heated bed. It just helps with the adhesion of it.
Our prints turn out better at 60 than they did at 50.
Yeah, because we have PEI sheets. But this can do PLA Plus, and ABS. It does have full.
Apparently, he can also do HIPS and PCABS.
How about PETG?
It does not say PETG in the warning.
Which.
But this is a warning, what not to use.
We might be doing PETG at some point in the future.
They don't have it available local to us yet.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. I asked today.
They always have in the shelves when I go.
PET, is it the Flexi stuff?
No, that's TPU.
Oh!
No, they do not have TPU yet. This does have full auto leveling. The version 1 does not. The version 2 does.
My two non-negotiables. Removable build plate or the ability to add it on or auto leveling.
Auto resume, yes. The version 1, no. It has a touch screen. The version 1 does not, really?
How does it work without a touch screen?
Well, like the Creality of the dial.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't
guess.
really mess with the Creality.
Wow. Yeah, it was really hard to look at. The version 1 was. Version 2, I guess, is a lot better. Low operating noise, yes, which usually means that they put the TMC 2208 steppers in, the stepper chips, instead of using the... Okay. On-screen model. Oh, that's awesome.
Sweet.
Ooh. For, what was it, $120?
130.
This is shaping to be excellent. as long as it actually
as long as
prints
he actually
well.
works.
Oh, here it is. Oh. Yeah, you're right. Well, it says from the manufacturer's website, 35 to 60 Celsius.
Oh, perfect.
So 60, well, we print at 60, so.
I print at 60. I don't ever go any warmer than that unless I've got something stuck on the print bed.
Okay, 170 millimeters a second maximum print speed according to the manufacturer. Well, yeah. Wireless connectivity, USB.
Which I'm not too worried about. And the
Micro SD.
reviews did say that the wireless connectivity was iffy at best.
Tell you the truth, I don't even
I don't
use them.
actually care. I'm going to be using an SD card.
You know, if I want wireless connectivity, I'll hook up an Octoprint.
And if I want wireless
Or
connectivity, I'm not going to be spending $130 on the printer. I'm going to be spending a little bit more.
Right. So, yeah.
I mean, I bought this to use at vendor fairs where we are actually restricted in what we're using wireless anyway. We're restricted to only allowed to use it for sales.
Well, you can hook your phone directly to this.
We're not allowed to use Bluetooth within the venue once the sale starts.
It's not Bluetooth. It's
Oh.
2.4 gigahertz.
I don't know. It's because there's already like 60 to 80 people already trying
Right,
to
you
use the
don't wanna
wireless network
congest
and
it.
taxing it.
Yep.
So we're not allowed to use it for anything other than transactions anyways. So I quite honestly could care less about wireless connectivity with the printer I'm using at vendor fairs.
Right.
It's not something I'm looking for because I'm not allowed to use it anyways. The way that I understand wireless.
So I'm gonna guess that this guy is fully assembled in here.
Amazon actually did advertise him fully assembled.
Okay, well,
So
let's.
I have
let's
my
get to it.
tools just in case. Like in case anything needs tightened, checked, anything like that. Removed. Excuse me. My little handy dandy razor. Putting toward the couch. Always a safe bet.
Yeah. Because this couch is a.
This couch is on its last legs anyways.
Yeah. Because we have a 3.5-year-old,
Oh, it was broken before he was even conceived.
but we can still blame him.
Putting toward myself, totally safe.
Yeah, yeah. You used to be a Girl Scout, didn't you?
For one season.
That's all it takes. Alright, so
Alright.
we got some.
We got documentation. Monoprice. Quick Start Guide. Okay. So according to the Quick Start Guide, I'm going to have some filament, a little plastic scraper, some Allen wrenches, power cord. Looks like an Ethernet cord.
What?
Oh.
Oh, maybe it's
Using
a
a pair of
USB.
scissors or wire cutters, remove the security straps from the printer's carriage. Lift the carriage, then remove the protective carton or shell. Okay. Test filament, which I'm probably not going to use because I'm actually going to test him on something else. I have something specific in mind to test him on.
That looks like the test filament from the Creality, which isn't even enough to print one of the test files.
Power cable.
This is really cool.
I have some tools.
Tools? Question mark?
I have this thing. I don't know what this is. It looks
It's
like
a
a stylus.
Oh my god, it's a stylus.
Get your little paws out of there.
What do you mean little?
SD card, or micro SD card, I think is what this
Yeah,
kind
micro
technically
SD card.
is. Okay. This does not come with an adapter? Really?
Whoa, we got plenty of them.
Yeah, I know. Allen wrenches. My Allen wrenches. Empty ziploc. Power box.
Transformer.
Power box.
Power brick.
Power box.
Power box.
Cardboard hat.
With a Liz.
Very thoughtful of them to include that.
Wow.
He has a handle.
It is fully assembled, and wow.
How little he is.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
kind of cool.
keep this bag away from babies and children. Do not using cribs, beds, strollers, or playpens. The thin
How would I
film
use
may
a
cling to
crib?
the nose and mouth and prevent breathing. This is not a toy. Tie a knot in the bag prior to throwing away.
You line your crib with plastic bags? What?
Oh, he's pretty.
Wow, look, he's got an egg carton on his bed. Holy crap, look how thin those. Wow. And we'll have close-up pictures
He's so light.
Well, it's supposed to be only 10
One
pounds.
finger.
It's supposed to be 10 pounds. Where is the filament holder?
Oh.
Oh, that's what that thing is. Okay.
Well, makes sense then.
He won't power on. I don't understand it.
Crap, he's too
So-
effective.
So I wonder if this printer has a lot of the 3D printers will have a switch on the power supply to go between 115 and 220 volts, depending on what region you're in.
Yeah, I don't know.
That thing's pretty cool. The thing I like immediately more about the Q5s is you can actually see more of the bed.
Yeah, but this is...
Let's take the egg carton out of there. There we go.
such a little print bed.
Yeah, it is. Oh, look, it's removable. You just...
Oh
There.
my god.
It is removable.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
See if you can flex it at all. Yeah. Undo all of them.
I did.
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh. It's not removable. Never mind. Forget what I said.
it's just to work on it.
Okay. Wow.
Holy cow. So you
Okay.
can kind of see there's a wiring harness there. I can see a little hard drive in there. Itty bitty hard drive.
Hard drive.
Something. It's itty bitty. It looks like a hard drive.
I don't think
It's
they're
like 2 inches by 2 inches. There is a little bit of give in the bed, so I'm a little bit concerned about that.
And that does not look to be a standard stepper motor, but of course, a stepper motor weighs probably more than this thing, so they would have to miniaturize it.
I'm not really sure where the filament's going to go in. Unless it goes, oh, in there. It goes in the side.
Yep, and the
It doesn't
extruder.
go in the top. It goes in the side.
Right.
Oh.
This is going to be interesting. Let me look.
Be careful with flash.
Mm-hmm. I do not see any. Oh, it looks like the micro SD card goes right here,
Nice.
right on the same side the screen is. I do not see any dip switches to change the voltage. Nor does it say anything about it in the manuals that I've seen.
Nope.
Here's flash.
No flash. Okay. Well, we're gonna cut. We're gonna get him hooked up and get him printing.